Hello everybody, Jay Goldman here. I'm the head analyst at FMTrader, making a new video for you guys. It's the end of the year actually, last day of the year. Great time for me to show you. This time, I'm actually gonna, if you look at the title, it says what it's like to work with me. Meaning, I'm gonna do a little self-promotion this time. I hope it's okay with you guys. And I know we have a lot of new traders that are coming to the market for the first time. And I wanted to give you guys some examples of what it means to work with me or a broker or from our firm, and how it's actually something that is good for you and will give you the greatest chance of profiting consistently. And that's why I'm going to show you 3 trades from the last month that I was able to give to my traders, and show you how the working process and how it how it all comes together, and what the benefit is for you and the benefit for me is. Okay, so let's move on to the first trade that we did. Okay, this is a trade, if you can see, a gold trade from the 4th of December. And here, right here, I put on. This is a Skype transcript that I took, and it's a message I sent to my traders. It says, "Looks like we have a strong trade on gold. Hit a pretty strong resistance. I would take it down." Jay Goldman today at, this is the 4th of December, at 12:48. Here I've attached the chart of gold for that day. This is the 4th of December, and this is what I was talking about. As you can see here, gold had a big, had a big rally in the first few hours of the day. And once I noticed here that it kind of paused and stopped, it was a great signal for me that the market is going to correct itself. Okay, so at this point, if you can see, this is at 12:58. I sent this message, which, if you can see here, this is 1 p.m. So it's right here. I sent out this trade to my clients, okay, and those who were fortunate enough to be working with me that day did those trades. And let's go to the next page, and I can show you some here. What I did is I just took some snapshots from portfolios of clients that I was working with in that particular day, and I can show you how each of them took advantage of this information. So we have trader 1 here. As you can see, opened 3 trades on gold. He was a bit conservative, trading $50 per trade, but that's fine. Some people are more comfortable, some people are less comfortable. It's all up to you, of course. You're the one who decides how much money to risk on any given trade. As you can see, of course, execution was the 4th of December. The time here is in GMT, so that's why I did the trades on Eastern time, but here you can see it on GMT. Okay, so these 3 gold trades down. Entry rate 12.45, 12.45, 12.45. End rate was 12.43. Okay, now trader 2, a bit more aggressive trader. This guy is actually this guy's a cowboy. He likes to put big money, and and obviously this worked for him, because he did 3 trades, one of 3,000, one of 250. Again, same date. Entry rate 12.48, 12.47, 12.44. Closing rate 12.43, as we saw here. And then we have trader 3, which is kind of in the middle of both of them. Again, opened 3 trades on gold, all going down. Again, 250, 250, and 500, and of course won all the trades. So as you can see, these are trades that are good for all kinds of traders. Okay, this is the first trade that I wanted to show you guys. Let's go to the next trade, which is a bit closer, so I remember it a bit better. This is the trade, a Dow Jones trade on the 26th of December, meaning about 4 or 5 days ago. This is a transcript of a chat I had on Skype with a client of mine. He goes, "Hey Jay, do you think the Dow will finish higher than where it is right now? I put in 2 trades and it plummeted." And he has a little word emoticon there. Okay, my answer was here. Traditionally, the 26th of December is a strong day for the U.S. markets. Even though the volume is going to be low, I would think it could end up higher for the closing. Okay, this was also based on a good report that we had earlier on. As you can see, I attached the chart here. Oops, 1 second, what happened? Sorry about that. I attached the chart here. As you can see, this was at 11:23 a.m. So around this point, 12 p.m. was our entry point, and as you can all see, the closing was a lot higher. This guy made two trades, one of 1603, and one of 250. Entry rate was 16,433. End rate was 16,480. So the nice profit was made here. Again, off information that I gave him, and that how would he wouldn't have this information by himself. Okay, now this is the last trade I want to show you guys. A very recent trade from yesterday. Again, transcript of one of my clients where I wrote, looks like AUD USD hit a resistance point. This is a trade on the Aussie dollar, US dollar. Now this is a brand new trader, so like I said, he asked me what exactly does that mean? Like, what does resistance point mean? Okay, so resistance points, which I explain also here, that it means like the price looks like it reached a level where it's having difficulty breaking, as you can see right here. I put a line here where where we entered the trade. Okay, so when we saw here, it was having this is a resistance, and it's having trouble breaking this upper level, and therefore it usually plummets down. Okay, so again, we opened a couple of trades, 3 trades here. AUD USD on the 30th of December, and we took them for different expiries. So we took them for 2 hours and 3 hour trades. Okay, and as you can see again, entry rate was 89.233, 89.224, 89.190, and we got all 3 of these trades. Okay, so that's what it is. Let's say that's an example of what kind of information you'll be getting when you work with me. So here's my next this is my main message here. If you're interested in doing this, and if you want to give it a shot, you want to maximize your potential and maximize the profits, stop trading on your own. All right, it doesn't make sense. You guys have lives, you have schedules, you're busy, you don't have time to get all the information that we have here. Okay, that's my job, that's why they pay me, so let me help you out. Okay, and the best way to reach me, again, Jay Goldman, is by email, j.g@fmtrader.com. It's my email, or on Skype. You can add me on Skype. My Skype name is j.g.fmtrader. Okay, so again, I hope every one of you has a great 2014, and hopefully we'll be able to make a lot of money together. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for your time. Thank you for listening, and I'll be talking to all of you soon, I'm sure.